What is Medicaid crisis planning? Great question. I call it MCP or Medicaid Crisis Planning, but that's not really what it is. It's not just Medicaid. It has to do with long-term care planning. And it has to do with long-term care planning really in what we call a crisis, emergency, or right now situation, where someone has found themselves, oh no, husband, wife, mom, dad has had this fall, stroke, healthcare situation that has put them in the hospital and ICU. They're coming out to rehabilitation. Medicare does not pay for long-term care in North Carolina or the United States. Medicare pays for hospital visits or part of them. An insurance copay could pay for or an insurance policy, Medicare supplement, could pay for any copays or doctor's visits. Medicare will pay for the first 20 days of rehabilitation when you're, say, coming out of the hospital once you've been stabilized, because a hospital is not a long-term care facility. So you'll go to rehab, and then after the 20 days is up, Medicare will pay a portion of the remaining 80 days. If you have an insurance supplement, a Medicare supplement that pays that copay, then you may avoid that copay. But many people don't have that private pay insurance supplement to supplement Medicare. Therefore, we call it Medicaid crisis planning because many times people realize they are going to have to pull out their wallet and start paying out of pocket for that care. And husband, wife, family are freaking out because, oh my, it's going to cost $15,000 a month for this care. And that's going to take everything we have or force the sale of our home. And they don't like that situation. Well, there are many ways to deal with that situation, whether it be assisted living care with special assistance, which is not Medicaid, that pays for assisted living in North Carolina, or long-term care Medicaid, which does pay for skilled nursing care. We really call it generally nursing home care in North Carolina. Both of those benefit programs have different rules, and we put those in our benefits department, and we know the rules of those games in and out. And we help our clients stay in control of their assets, save the home, other real estate, their retirement, while still qualifying for the benefit to make sure the person that needs care gets the care they need. And maybe the family and that person are able to take some of their tax dollars back they paid in their whole life to pay for this benefit, which I think is awesome, by the way, and I love helping families do that. If you or your loved one finds themselves in a situation where they need rehabilitation, long-term care, or it's headed that way, and there may have been a failure or a lack of taking advantage of planning ahead, or you just need to sit down and ask some questions about that situation, give me a call. I would be glad to offer a free consult to do so. Call 1-888-999-6600 or schedule online at mcelderdahl.com/scheduling to take advantage of that free conversation about Medicaid crisis planning today. Thank you.